During the cherry blossom season, Sakura Mochi, the pink rice cake, is traditionally eaten in Japan. This confectionery is wrapped by pickled cherry leaf. Today I'm going to share how to make this edible pickled cherry leaf. The best time to pick the sakura leaf is when cherry blossoms fall and the new leaves burst out. We only select the young leaves. Wash the leaves one by one. Make sure no leaf is bitten by insects, and check there is no insect eggs on the back side of leaves. Now put leaves in the hot boiling water for 1 minute. Now transfer to cold water. Assort the leaves by size. Put each 10 pieces as one set. By doing this, when you make sakura mochi, it's easy for you to count. Dry them with kitchen paper. Pour in the cold boiled salt water. It contains 20% of salt. Place heavy weight over the leaves. Store it in refrigerator for 3 weeks. Now it's ready to use for your sweets. Normally, you can use it for 1 year if you keep it in refrigerator.